The cease order was rolled up in a rubber, banned and jammed into my mailbox. Like a grocery store coupon. No certified mail, no official county seal, no signature from any judge, magistrate, or code enforcement officer with actual authority. Just 12 pages of aggressively formatted document that someone clearly spent a long time making look official, and not nearly enough time making actually legal. Patricia Wynn had been after my farmland for 8 months. It started small, the way these things always do. A noise complaint about my tractor, then a letter about my irrigation runoff, then a formal HOA, notice claiming my grain storage structure, violated aesthetic continuity guidelines. A phrase so meaningless I read it 4 times trying to find the substance inside it. There wasn't any. But this cease order was different. This one told me to suspend all farming operations within 14 days or face county-level enforcement action. It had official-looking headers. It referenced real statute numbers. It was designed, very deliberately, to make a working farmer panic and comply before asking questions. I didn't panic. I drove to Sheriff Hank Delacroix's office with the document under my arm. Hank read it standing up at his own desk, which told me everything. When Hank sits down to read something, it's routine. When he stays standing, something's wrong with what he's looking at. He got through page 3 and reached for his phone. He called the county clerk first. No cease order had been filed under my property address. He called the code enforcement office. No active violation case existed in my name. He called the district magistrate's office. No judge had signed or reviewed anything related to my property in the past 2 years. He set the phone down and looked at me. "Hank," I said, "not a single piece of this is real, is it?" "Not one word," he said. "This document has never touched a government office. Someone typed this at home. He kept it as evidence. That afternoon, he made 3 calls I wasn't present for. By evening, Patricia Wynn had received an official visit, not from the HOA, not from a zoning board, but from a sheriff's deputy with actual authority and an actual badge. Fabricating legal instruments targeting private property is a felony in this state. My farmland never stopped running for a single day. The grain storage structure is still standing. Patricia Wynn's HOA presidency did not survive the month.